5 steps to defeat perfectionism once and for all. We all have moments where we fall into perfectionism. For some of us, this might happen kind of often. For others, it's reserved for those special occasions where we have a project where we can't rest until we get it right. While occasional super attention to detail is okay, it's when we make perfectionism a way of life where it becomes a problem. Those are the times where we finally need to take charge of our lives and learn how to let go. Try this. Start at the core. Why are you so wrapped up in perfectionism? Are you truly trying to become a better person somehow? Or are you just trying to impress someone else or meet expectations from those around you? Neither of these reasons is very healthy, and both need to be addressed. Drop the should. The moment you start using this word in a conversation, especially regarding your action, you're already driving yourself crazy. Remind yourself you don't need validation from anyone. You're good just by being you. Rewrite the script. What are you telling yourself as you throw yourself into perfectionism? Do you think this is the path to success? Or do you have other unrealistic expectations of the outcome? Here's where you switch up your self-talk to get out of any negative spaces and unrealistic outcomes. Drop the comparisons. Speaking of self-talk, just who are you holding up as role models? Has this too become unhealthy, going from I want to be more like them to why can't I have everything they do? Wouldn't it feel better to celebrate where you are right now and all the effort you've been putting into things? Show some mercy. Perfection never allows for excuses. If you can't succeed, you're automatically a failure. By chasing imperfection, you learn the value of self-forgiveness and the ability to let go of your mistakes in favor of embracing the lessons you can learn from them. You wouldn't think these steps are also very important at first glance. After all, is chasing imperfection worthwhile? The answer is a resounding yes. Perfection is what pulls us away from others and gets us so tangled up inside with worry and stress about getting things right, we negatively impact our mental and physical health. With this in mind, isn't it time to let go and enjoy life once and for all?